Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to create a Google Form survey questionnaire. It's super easy, so let's get into it. Now, I will be using the Google Chrome browser here, and you just need to search for Google Docs. And it should show you these options. But if you're not on this page, it will ask you to sign in your Google account first before giving this page here. Now, from here you can edit the title and you can add the description, fill in all info. And we can add our question number 1. Let's say name. And you can choose what type of answer. Is it short answer, a paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, drop down, or to upload a file, etc. So we just need to click on short answer so that they can input their name, full name, and you can also select if it is required or not. So let's just click on required. Now, to add more question, you just need to click on the plus button here located at the bottom left corner of the screen to add another question. Now, let's ask for age here. And now we will choose multiple choice. Option 1. Let's see, 18 to 22. And if you would like to add another question, you just keep on clicking the plus sign button to add another one. And once that's done, you just need to click on this arrow button here to publish it. And make sure that your responders is set up to anyone with the link. But you can also manage that and customize it to whatever you want. Click on done and click on publish to publish it, and you can send it to your students or colleagues. And to share it, you just need to copy responder link and send it to your colleagues or to your students. And that's it. That's how you create Google Form survey questionnaire. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!